In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo Abandoned Cart Shopify. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and you are looking at the main dashboard. We are going to build a simple abandoned checkout email flow from scratch, so you have full control over the timing and the message your customers receive. First, go to the left sidebar and click Flows. This is where Klaviyo manages automations, including emails that send automatically when a shopper takes a specific action. Next, click Create Flow. Then choose Create from Scratch. Starting from scratch is helpful here because it keeps the setup clean and focused on abandoned checkout without extra messages or branches. Now you will set the trigger for the flow. Select Metric and then choose Started Checkout. This means the flow will start when someone begins the checkout process in your Shopify store but does not complete the purchase. Using Started Checkout is important because it targets high-intent shoppers who are close to buying. Once the trigger is set, you will add a short waiting period before the first email goes out. Drag a time delay block directly below the trigger. Set the delay to 2 hours. This gives customers time to finish their order on their own, and it also helps your email feel well-timed instead of instant or pushy. After the delay, drag an email block below the time delay. This email will be your abandoned checkout message. Keep in mind that this is usually your first follow-up, so the tone should be helpful and clear. Then click Select Template and choose an abandoned cart design. Using a dedicated abandoned cart template is useful because it is typically structured to highlight the items left behind and guide the customer back to checkout. As you review the design, make sure the message matches your brand voice and that the main call to action is easy to notice. When you are ready, click Save and Exit. At this point, the flow is still a draft, so it will not send to anyone yet. To activate it, change the flow status from Draft to Live. Once it is live, Klaviyo will begin enrolling shoppers who start checkout and meet the trigger conditions. That covers everything you need to know.